Hello, everybody. First things first, I was alerted by one of our beautiful community members that spaz, which is a word that I used yesterday in yesterday's video, is actually a very uncool word to use. And I think that words really matter. I mean, I'm someone who teaches guided meditation and uses words to bring you to another space, to another place. So because words matter so much, I want to apologize for using that word yesterday. It is now out of my vocabulary and I will never use it again, and I promise that. Today we are going to do something a little bit different. I am going to be guiding one of my classic meditations, one that is very popular on YouTube, that I love so much, that I use in my real life, that I created a hand-drawn bliss note for. A lot of you know it and you love it, and I'm so appreciative of your love for it. It is the Boat on the Ocean meditation, and it is from my first book, which is backwards. You have 4 minutes to change your life. If you don't have this book, why? Why don't you have this book? Let me know. And it's under $10 on Amazon right now, but if you can't afford that on Amazon, let me know. Reach out to me using the email address that's on my website at BEXLIFE.com, and I want to help you out with getting this book because it is packed full of the tools that changed my life, that saved my life. This is what I've used in my own life, what I've created for myself, and that I want to share with you. So you have 4 minutes to change your life. It's under $10 on Amazon right now. It has 27 guided meditations in it, and I think you're going to love it. So I want you to just check in with how you're feeling right now. The energy that you're bringing to this space right now, the space for yourself, your personal sacred space. Maybe you want to transition into this moment, cross the energetic threshold of this moment by taking a nice big inhale and letting go, exhale. Sometimes all it takes to center you, to anchor you in a moment, is one breath cycle. Just one big inhale that fills you all the way up, all the way down to your fingertips and your toes, and a letting go exhale that releases any tension that you might be holding on to. Let's try that one more time together. Inhale. And exhale, let go. I'm going to be reading from my book for you today during this guided meditation, but I'd like you to close your eyes if it feels good. And if you'd rather keep them open, you can gaze at your screen or at a point on the wall or a treasured object that you love that makes you feel warm and fuzzy inside. But just go ahead and settle into your seat and find your gaze. Sit up tall with your chest open, your shoulders back. Maybe inhale your shoulders up to your ears and then roll your shoulder blades down along your spine with your exhale. You can have your legs crossed or one leg in front of the other. Your hands can be downturned on your knees or thighs or upturned to receive the energy that I'm sending out to you. Just find that easy and comfortable seat. Bring your attention to your breath as it is in this moment. Your easy inhales and exhales. I'm going to guide you to set up a scene with your mind's eye. Just listen to the words, receive them, process them, accept them as something that can be real for you in this moment. Visualization is one of my favorite meditation tools. I really love to bring myself to other places to experience peace and calm in a serene setting, to take myself out of what's happening in my own environment, just for a few moments, just to have that real sense of being in a place that fully supports me, that fully supports my happiness, balance, calm. Imagine now that you're sitting in a small wooden boat tied to a tiny dock on the shore of a beautiful tropical beach. The sun is low in the sky and the horizon is vibrant with hues of red, orange, and hot pink. The water is choppy. The breeze is steady through the trees, and the sound of seabirds fills the air. There's a lot to see, feel, and hear. It's a peaceful but active place. Now feel your boat rocking gently in the choppy water. The rocking comforts you because you know you're safe inside the boat. You know that you're safe and sound. The waves are rolling under you, and as they do, the water becomes smoother and your boat rocks gentler. Imagine that any thoughts or worries that enter your mental space are being carried in and out on those waves. So as the waves roll out, it carries the thought and leaves it to the vastness of the ocean, never to be seen again. So notice any thought that's coming into your head right now that you're becoming aware of, that's in your consciousness, and imagine it being placed upon that wave and being carried out to sea. Maybe you want to smile and give it a little wave goodbye. As you continue to be in this space, in this beautiful place, noticing the vibrant hues of the sky as the sun glows and sets, feeling the gentle rocking of the boat, feeling safe and held, cradled by the rocking waves. Revisit your breath. Notice its tone, its length, its depth. Notice how good it feels in this moment to be alive. Notice how good it feels to be able to choose peace and calm. I'm going to read a mantra to you to seal your practice today. I'm going to read it slowly so you can fully absorb the meaning and the energy of the words. And we'll take a nice, deep breath together between each time I read it. 3 times I'm going to offer this to you. I'm like a boat on the ocean. My faith is the anchor that holds me steady. My thoughts are like waves. I allow them to roll under me, sometimes rocking me just a bit, but not carrying me away. I'm anchored faithfully in the here and now. Let's inhale together. Exhale, relax. I'm like a boat on the ocean. My faith is the anchor that holds me steady. My thoughts are like waves. I allow them to roll under me, sometimes rocking me just a bit, but not carrying me away. I'm anchored faithfully in the here and now. Inhale and exhale with me. And release. The last time for your sealing mantra, really take in these words, accept them as your own, and revisit them whenever you need to. I'm like a boat on the ocean. My faith is the anchor that holds me steady. My thoughts are like waves. I allow them to roll under me, sometimes rocking me just a bit, but not carrying me away. I am anchored faithfully in the here and now. One last big inhale and exhale to end your practice. Inhale with me now. Exhale, relax and release. I'll invite you now to open your eyes and cross back over that energetic threshold back into your day. That's one of the meditations that I visit often because I love a metaphor. I love a metaphor. I love visualization. I always imagine my feelings or the sensations in my body to be something that I can recognize and that I can name so that I can manage it. So my thoughts are always flowing in and out, under and around me. And instead of holding on to them, I picture them as waves, just rolling right on by me. And maybe moving me just a bit, right? Like, wow, that one was something. That was a lot. But I can handle it because I'm just riding that wave. I'm just riding that wave and allowing it to pass under me, around me, maybe through me. Maybe like air, maybe like wind. But then I let it go. I release it back. It's not mine to hold. It's not mine to anchor to. It's not mine to grasp. You can't grab a wave. You can't grab the wind. So you can be moved by it. You might be shifted by it. But then you just let it keep on going. By you or return to where it came from. Again, if you haven't picked up my book, You Have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life, it is available everywhere books are sold. You can go into Barnes & Noble or your local bookstore and pick it up, or you can get it on Amazon. It's usually under $10 online. But if you have issues affording it, no judgment, no worry, please reach out to me and let me know, and I will help you out with that. All right. I love you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow, Sunday at 9 a.m. Eastern. So it's a 9 a.m. time on Sundays. And that's it. Love you.